Lego thing today. See, as you can tell. There's some special effects that I will show you guys, but first, let's get to the minifigures. Here's Scorpion. I like him. If you guys like him, leave a comment down below. Oh, and by the way, guys, just look at this close. And if you guys are liking this video so far, slap the like button. I'll be back in a few. And then here's Aunt May. She has new papers. Nice hair. Spider-Man. If you know her name, leave a comment down below so I can know who she is. If you know who this guy is, leave a comment down below. And then everybody knows Goblin and like his thing, the copter that can fly. Special effects. And then here's a taxi. See, pretty cool. It's mobile. Yeah, that's how this goes on. Now we're just gonna show the bridge special effects. Here we're gonna use look at this. This opens, right? Now just keep your eye. Now watch this, ready? You guys can probably see it if it's like this, but it's a trap door. I'll show you guys how this works. See? This right here. Your hatches. Then this is where you get and find your bad guy. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And then here is like a base, so like you can like capture Spider-Man and stuff. And like find like the back here. I'm gonna take this wall out. That's one of the special effects I'll have to show you later. But if you just put this in, nice and easy. And then boom. And if I just go. And then if I just go here and go boom, we'll be done with that part. And let's go with the bridge now. This is the most favorite part of mine. It's called the garbage catapult. Now watch this. The garbage can just catapult, right? But then if you have it like right here, that's where it lands. So we're done with that part right there. And then we'll need him for it. Look, watch the bridge. Watch the signs. They broke, right? Easy to fix. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. It's fixable. It's fixable. See? Oh. Air. Another air. Let me just fix these for a second. Just get it. Unless you just so far. Hello guys, if you guys are still liking this video so far, please subscribe for me. Please leave a like, whatever you guys feel like doing down below, so I know that you guys watched this video, and so that I know that you guys love this video. So you guys will probably see me later, probably in the video sometime, but when the video's almost over, I'll say, what's up guys? This is the last video of this so far. So we're done with that. So now we fixed that up. And then boom. Now we don't need him again, Goblin. We don't need an effect for this one right here. This one is pretty cool. It's like far by my best. Because look, see? There's something right here that can like move. Now watch. When I push it, he died. See? Then here's the other one that usually does not work on bad guys, but it usually works sometimes when it wants to work. See? It's like a web. So like anytime that you shoot it, it'll be awesome. See? Boom, caught him. That was pretty much it for this video. And by the way, please subscribe for me and do whatever you guys gotta do to join the team. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below. See you next time.